Okay, now to cover that up, I need more floral wire and a darker green fondant, and I have a super green luster dust. So what I do here is I just take some of the green, need some floral wire, different lengths because they're going to be different length leaves. Just start to roll it out with one end being a little bit thinner than the other. Insert the wire. And then start to flatten out the edges. Make that a little bit more pointy. Veining tool. So I'll just vein this way and then some this way. And then take some of the green and just kind of brush it. Now if you don't feel comfortable putting wires in your cake, you can go ahead and put those little flower former type things. They're little plastic things that you can put in your cake first and then put the wires inside them. So that is up to you. You can kind of twist these around the wire a little bit. Oops. Remember, we want to kind of cover some of that wire. Okay, so if you look up here, you can see where I have all of those leaves on. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the grass tip that we used around the base and just put some grass right around here. And this is going to help support these. Okay, and then I can go ahead and finish up here with these butterflies, the small ones. Like I said, we're not going to put bodies on these because these aren't really the focal point. We want that one, the big one there, to be the focal point. So I'll just take some, kind of pop some down here. Okay, just a little bit more grass kind of here and there. So I can have a little bit kind of here. Kind of some of those open areas. Okay, and then the last thing we need is the writing, the whole story here behind this. So let me just move some of this and we're going to make just a cute little book to place right here that has the writing on it. So